Hi guys, welcome to the HIIT series number 8. So as you have been doing all the 7 series, so the level has gone a little up now, and if you have really done it, then this is going to be very intense, the HIIT 8, because every exercise is divided into 2:1, like 2 minutes one exercise, 1 minute other exercise. Likewise, we'll be doing 3 sets, right?
Yes, so we are expecting your strength and endurance to have been increased a bit since we started a week before. So this day, today's circuit is going to be a bit more intense. So as Gitika said, 2 minutes of one exercise and then 1 minute of another exercise. Okay, in between these 6 exercises, you can take a break and have a sip of water, but try to complete it in a stretch as much possible. So first exercise, we are going to start with 2 minutes of squats.
Squats. So this is going to hit your lower body, your quads.
All right.
So let's start squats for 2 minutes.
Ready?
And again, if you're not able to do the full body squats, like I told you in yesterday series, that how you can, simplify the squats by using a chair and holding it and then going down.
And in this one, because we are doing it for 2 minutes, you can keep a rhythm, which is a bit more slow, so that you can actually have a better posture.
So now, in continuation with this, we are going to do plank for 1 minute. So just try to hold yourself for 1 minute. And if you're not able to hold your full body, you can just slightly take the support of your knee and
Like this.
yeah, try to hold your
So if
body.
you're not able to see the video, I'll just show you. So when we do plank like this, you can take a support of the knee like this.
Yeah.
If you're not able to hold it in this position, then only. Otherwise, this is the best way to keep doing plank for your core, to engage your core properly.
Yes. So keep doing it
This
for
is for a
1
minute.
minute. So coming to the second set, we are going to do burpees for 2 minutes.
Yes.
And then again we'll be repeating plank for 1 minute for that core.
So it's again 2 minutes of push-up burpee.
Yes, it's going to be push-up burpee. You just have to
Go
come
in the
down.
position.
Yes.
1, 2, and then burpees.
Push up, come back, jump. Keep doing it for 2 minutes.
Guys, trust me, it's going to be a difficult exercise because you have to do exercises for 2 minutes. But trust me, by the end of this circuit, you will feel you have done really a great workout. It's going to engage your core. It's going to help you hit most of your body parts. So after 2 minutes of push-up burpees, we will come back to 1
Plank.
minute of plank. Again, knees or off knees, up to you.
And as Pankaj said, maintaining the rhythm is more important, because completing 2 minutes should be the priority instead of just chasing the speed. So try to complete it for 1 minute.
1 minute.
All right.
Now we are going to start with reverse lunges for 2 minutes, and then again in
Crunches.
this time 1 minute of crunches. So you're hitting
Yeah.
lower body part and then the core.
So let's hit the lower body first, and then we'll work upon the core.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Both legs going backward, because we are doing reverse lunges.
So because we
Keep going.
keep going, so it has to be done for 2 minutes.
And now, in continuation,
You have to do 1 minute of
crunches.
crunches. So I'll sit in this position. Kritika will sit in the side position so that you can see both the positions from different angles.
All right,
All right.
let's get
So-
started.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. So to make this tough, you can do in this way as well. Keep your legs up and then do the crunches. 1, 2, So guys, this is going to be done for 1 minute. So now this finishes one lap of this HIIT 8th session. So me and Gitika, we have been doing this for almost over a week now with you guys, and we really need your feedback, just so that we know whether we are able to help you and we can improve it better. Is it helping you improve your strength, endurance, keeping yourself active, fit during this lockdown period?
Yes, we have to handle this quarantine with a fitter and stronger version of ourselves, so that when the world gets open, we just go outside with a fit body and a fit mind.
Yes, and one more thing. If you are putting this much of effort for your exercises, do not forget to keep up with your nutrition as well.
Yeah.
You know, nutrition is as important as the workout. If you are hogging up on those samosas and kachoris during this lockdown, then please stop it and stick to your diet as per your goal.